Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and set up TD Bank account privacy and alerts, beginner guides. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the TD Bank website. Locate the login option at the top right corner of the home page. Click on Login and select Personal from the drop-down menu. Enter your user ID and password in the respective fields. Click Login to access your TD Bank account. Once logged in, find the Profile tab in the account dashboard. Click on Profile to open your account settings. From the Profile menu, select Privacy and Alerts. You will see options for managing your privacy settings. Choose the types of alerts you want to receive, such as transaction alerts or account changes. Toggle the alerts on or off based on your preference. If you prefer email alerts, ensure your email address is correctly entered under Contact Information. Next, select Save Changes to confirm your settings. To download the TD Bank mobile app, open the App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device. Search for TD Bank in the App Store. Tap on the TD Bank app icon and click Download or Install. Once the app is installed, open it on your device. Log in using your user ID and password. Explore the app's settings to find additional privacy and alert options. Adjust these settings according to your personal preferences. Now, you are set to monitor your account with improved privacy and alerts. Enjoy managing your TD Bank account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.